Hello, dear aspirants. Mains is just round the corner, and you all must be feeling very nervous and anxious, which is very natural. I would like to take a moment to calm you down by narrating a story of a young girl called Maya. Maya was a bright student who loved learning and studying. But whenever her exams used to approach, she used to get very nervous. Negative thoughts used to cross her mind, like what if she doesn't make it? What if a very difficult paper comes? What if those things come which she hasn't revised? So she ran to her grandmother's place. Her grandmother was a wise lady who lived her whole life through challenges. On seeing worry on Maya's face, she took her to a forest. On reaching there, Maya got even more scared. Scared because the forest was very dark and she could hardly see anything. Her grandmother said, with a smile, of course, Maya, I want you to take the lead. Maya replied back, Grandma, how can I take the lead? I can hardly see anything. The forest is full of shrubs, thorns. What if I get lost? What if something happens to you? What will I do? So her grandmother replied back, Maya, you have to trust yourself. You have to trust in your abilities. You have to take one step forward, and the next step will become clear. Maya was still very nervous, but she took her courage back and she pushed aside the vines and shrubs. On crossing the forest, soon she could see the other side, which was having a very beautiful valley full of flowers. Maya got very happy and excited. Her grandmother said to Maya, Maya, you finally did it. Life and learning is like that. It is like a forest. Sometimes the path is not clear. Sometimes fear can cloud your mind. But if you trust your abilities and take one step at a time, the way forward becomes clear. From now, Maya approached her life and exams very differently. This time, she was ready. Ready not because she had done all the things perfectly, ready because she now started to trust the path she was on. So, my dear students, the moral of the story is that you're almost there. You just have to trust your journey. You just have to trust whatever you had done, prepared. You just have to rely on yourself. You just have to find that courage which you have it in you. Remember, whenever you're writing it, answers, you have to see the demand of the question. Because usually what happens is you tend to write what you know, but you're not writing what is asked. So that is where you need to focus more upon. Present your answers in such a way that the examiner is able to read your answers very quickly. Try to incorporate as many diagrams or flowcharts or different styles wherever possible. Just have faith. You have it in you. We all know that you will all make it. Trust yourself. Find your path to success like Maya. All the very best. Jai Hind.